Cases and hospitalizations soaring in the Valley and across California. Governor Gavin Newsom outlining a new regional stay-at-home order for parts of Southern California, seeing a surge in those hospitalized. Brandon continues our coverage.
Jenny, it was 2 days ago that El Centro Regional Medical Center saw its highest number of patients hospitalized since the pandemic, and it seems that Imperial area hospitals are starting to see that same situation. However, Governor Gavin Newsom today announcing that any county where hospitals have 15 or fewer % capacity left must abide by a new stay-at-home order for the next 3 weeks. This means closures for bars, wineries, personal services, hair salons, and barbershops.
In these regions where we all reside, 40 million of us, the ICU capacity in all of these regions by the end of this month will drop, based on our current projections, below 15% in total capacity.
Meanwhile, schools that received a waiver can remain open, as well as critical infrastructure, retail at 20% capacity, and restaurants limited to takeout and delivery only. And while this hopes to relieve the healthcare system, Imperial Valley College is also preparing to take patients again as hospitals are overwhelmed with the number of COVID patients. At this time, 10 beds are set up and ready to go at IVC, and 115 of them are on deck. Jenny?
So to be clear, this does include Imperial County. Valley hospitals are currently caring for 91 COVID-positive patients. There are 28 ICU beds being used and only 2 currently available. Again, they have the space to up the capacity, like Brandon mentioned, at IVC, but they do not have the staffing for it. Hospitals in the Valley are preparing to be understaffed, so are really begging with the community to do your part so that those who are really sick can receive care. Nearby hospitals in San Diego County also filling up fast, so transferring patients is becoming less and less possible. Again, if you live in Imperial County, a stay-at-home order has been enacted for the next 3 weeks, and non-essential travel is restricted across the state. Back to Brandon now with more hard numbers.
Numbers not getting much better tonight in the Valley. 78 new cases of the virus reported and 2 additional deaths, bringing that total to 358. Still more than 1,000 people actively sick in Imperial Valley.